Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today investing questions, how to get started in 6 steps. 1. What should I look for in a financial planner or investment advisor? When choosing a financial advisor, it's important to conduct an interview. This is a person who will be handling your money, so you shouldn't rely on a fancy title alone or go with the first option. Start by asking people you know and trust. Financial planning and investment management is a very much a referral type of business, said Monica Spice, a certified financial planner and senior wealth advisor at Essential Wealth Advisor. First, ask how investment decisions are made. She said, make sure you are comfortable with it. It could be an individual advisor making those decisions. decisions. It could be at the firm level. It could be that they're outsourcing that, and also ask how the advisor or the firm is compensated. She added, if you still don't feel like you've gotten enough from them, try the interview classic. What else should I be asking you? The answer can give you a sense of the work style, competence, and experience of the advisor. You want to also make sure the advisor is not interested to sell you certain products products and that they are independent advisors, said Brian Walsh Jr., senior financial advisor at Walsh Nicholson Financial Group address. Fiduciaries are legally bound to recommend only investments and products that are in the best interest of the client. He added that you should rush a decisions and that you must do your research, interview multiple advisors, and go with the one that feels right for you. There are also resources to find financial advisors if you're the first one in your family or friends circle to take the step. 2. What investments terms should I know? It's also good to know some investing terms before you can address them. Here's list of terms financial advisors recommend you know. Asset allocation, a strategy balancing your risk tolerance and goals by apporting a portfolio's assets. Federation, the person or company that acts on your behalf. Brokerage accounts, an account with a licensed brokerage firm to place trades on your behalf. Retirement account, and account to extend after retirement or during an emergency in some cases. Investment vehicles, the products you invest in, e.g. certificates of deposit, bonds, stocks, options, or futures. ETF, an exchange traded fund, is a type of security made up of a collection of securities. Mutual fund, an investment vehicle made up of a pool of money collected from money investors to invest in securities. Registered investment advisors, RIA, a person or firm who advise high net worth individuals on investments and manages their portfolios. 3. How much money should I be investing? This is personal, as with most investment decisions. However, there are some key points that have proven over time to yield good results. At a minimum, you need to be saving 20% of your income. Safe space. My more aggressive investors are saving probably closer to 40 or 50%. If you are starting out, committing that amount of money is nerve-wracking. Investing apps like Robinhood and Acorns have options to invest as little as one at a time with fractional shares, which is a great option for those who want to get familiar with the process. The amount of money you invest ultimately is what you decide, and dependent on your risk tolerance. Investing apps make it easy for beginners. Here's how I started with Face. What I tell clients is that you want to first make sure you have 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an emergency fund, such as short-term saving. Said Walsh, make sure you are contributing to your employer retirement plan if one is offered, and take advantage of the match if available. From there, from there, it will depend on how much net cash flow you have left over each month and what your goals are. How many stock? Sorry. 4. How many stocks should I own? Before stocking up, investors would be wise to consider the investment vehicle and account that they are using, since those details could play a part in the number of stocks needed for diversification. If if you are investing in individual stocks, which I do not recommend unless the rest of your investment portfolio is constructed in a way to reach your goals, no more than 20 stocks should suffice. Walsh said, pointing out that research has shown that more than 20 stocks in a portfolio don't necessarily lead to better overall risk diversification. We build portfolios using low-cost funds and ATV, and we usually have between 7 to 10 funds in a given portfolio. There is not a, there is no need to have more than that. Sipes, on the other hand, believes 35 to 50 stocks can create a diversification portfolio. Picking individual stocks can be difficult, so oftentimes for investors starting out. I recommend index funds like an ATV or something like that. Once again, this highlights the importance of sitting down with a financial planner who has your station and goals in mind. To that end, Spice reminds us that constantly trumps the amount. It's important to set a plan and stick to it, and that's where we see clients have a ton of success, she said. 5. When is my portfolio starting making money? Show me the money. Show me the money. I am right. The scariest part of investing is risk and control, and like in all learning process, positive reinforcement works best, especially especially if that reinforcement is money. Hopefully, your portfolio starts making money right away, said Walsh. When you invest, uh, um, you need to make sure you have a long-term view. No one can time the markets. He added, you could begin investing and the next day the market drops or goes up 10%. There is no way to tell. 6. How does investing affect my taxes? Investing can have can have no impact on your taxes, or it can have a lot. Investing in a retirement account like a 400,000 or an IRA will not have much impact for tax deferred accounts, Spice said. Whereas a 10,000 investment in Tesla last year that turned into 70,000 and was sold in less than 12 months could have a massive impact on short-term gains taxes coming into play. But fear not, capital gains taxes can usually be magnet depending on how much and when you pull from your account. So you made a bundle on GameStop, to pay the taxes. Get ready to pay the taxes. More. What are the 2021 capital gains tax rates and how to minimize them?